This guitar has some intonation problems. But anyway, I'm Caleb with Woodshop, and if you play guitar, you're probably well aware of that strange anomaly of losing guitar picks. You drop it on a floor in an empty room and you'll never find it again. Well, I'm trying to help that problem, because I'm pretty notorious for losing guitar picks, by making a little guitar pick box. So it looks like a guitar. It holds picks. So my idea is, rather than put a pick in my pocket like I normally do when I'm done playing, is when I'm done playing, put the pick in the box, leave the box in here on my amp or on my table over here, and hopefully I won't lose a pick anymore. So let's check it out. First thing I need to do is apply this template that I got off Google Images with some spray adhesive. Just wave it around for like 10 seconds or so, let it tack up a little bit. That'll make it easier to peel off. Now, since this is going to be the inside of the box, I actually need to draw a line going around here. And then I could drill a hole for my jigsaw to go through. And that cherry's really burning. I probably have a dull blade. This is just a dowel with some sandpaper around it. I don't think I've ever burned cherry that bad before. I'm gonna cut this down just to a bit more of a manageable size, and this piece of beech is going to be the back. And I'm going to try to keep glue away from the edge to try to eliminate squeeze out getting in. After a wee spot of lunch, I can take my clamps off because this is probably dry. I think I'm doing a pretty good job so far. I haven't lost any picks yet because I've been returning them to the box whenever I'm done with it. If you liked and enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel because I have brand new woodworking projects every Friday. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you next time.